matters, China, whatever. Kung hingiin na yan, being a cabinet member, she would have access to everything, which is not. Alam mo, sabi ko, election is a noble thing. But politics is always dirty. Especially if you're the other side. Huwag mo na lang akong bulahin. Na, wala, I will do. As kung anong mapulot mo dito, balang araw, 2 years na lang. And she wants to aspire for the presidency. If that is the way her mouth behaves, that is the way, scatterbrain. I will talk to this, I will talk to this, tapos and there are there in the Senate who are fishermen.